Strength witnesses growth. Science ensures quality. Innovation wins respect. Power builds quality. Over the past 20 years, they focused on the industry. Over the past 20 years, they're consistent from beginning to end. Over the past 20 years, they're continuously making efforts and innovations. Xinfuda is the largest pharmaceutical packaging manufacturer in North China, owning various pharmaceutical packaging products. It has 3 manufacturing plants in Changzhou, Shijiazhuang, Luoyang. Relying on the power of science and technology, Xinfuda is constantly innovating and developing from a global perspective, with a sense of mission to create value for customers. We are committed to building a global functional packaging overall solution and become a leader in the industry. Main products: veterinary syringes, vaccine bottles, high temperature and pressure resistance bottles, desiccant, effervescent tablet tubes, child-resistant bottles, eyedropper bottles, COP bottles, which passed evaluation with CSPC. We got DMF numbers, CE certificate, ISO 9001-2015 certificate, International Pharmaceutical Packaging 15378 Quality System certification, 30 patents. With the spirit of concentration, Xinfuda innovates and grows in self-challenge. Xinfuda Pharmaceutical Packaging is recognized by the state and the industry. It wins the honorary titles of National High-Tech Enterprise, wins Research and Development Institution of Industrial Enterprises in Hebei Province, Grade A. It's Hebei Functional Pharmaceutical Packaging Material Technology Innovation Center. It has obtained 25 CDE registration numbers in the State Food and Drug Administration, drafted and formulated the group standard of Chinese veterinary drug packaging. Shoulder the mission of promoting the development of the industry. Lead the plastic packaging industry to move forward rapidly with the attitude of a leader. Xinfuda Benchmarking International, positioning the global market. Increasing investment in equipment. Introduce world-class ASB injection stretch blow equipment from Japan. Haitian Changfeya electric injection molding machine and domestic first-class automatic testing equipment. Strictly implement SOP standard from raw material collocation to production process. Carry out supervision and evaluation system to implement every step. Results guide action. Make standardized operation a habit. Practice the law of 10,000 hours of training. Ensure more stable product process. Higher product precision. More beautiful appearance. Xinfuda with high-quality products. Better serve customers. Product is a lifeline. Quality is high-voltage line. Xinfuda Quality Team, carrying out comprehensive quality management. We have QA and QC personnel. Strictly supervise production operation details. Make process management normal. Zero tolerance working attitude is adopted in quality inspection. It pursues the principle of speaking with data and proving with behavior. Xinfuda strictly implements the 15378 system of international medical packaging. Detailed production records are available for each batch of products. Establish traceability and accountability system. Keep the last red line of product quality. Xinfuda quality control personnel are conscientious, meticulously set standards, Statistical standards improve the process. Through years of precipitation, the rich database analysis model has been improved. Let testing equipment become our sharp weapon. Let every flaw be our alarm. Let every product speak for Xinfuda. Wang Jinjun, the founder of Xinfuda, led the R&D team into the market. Know your customer's customer. With the passion of innovation and the power of science and technology, we can surpass the requirements of customers. Achieve self-innovation. Xinfuda's R&D engineers, with a sense of urgency of always walking in the forefront of the industry, have insight into market changes. Reach strategic partnership with domestic top grinding tool design masters, forming a long-term close cooperation relationship. The production cycle is short, the structure is reasonable, and the production efficiency is high. They are a young and practical team. Keep learning on the road of growth. Practice speaking with strength. Keep the gene of innovation. Win customers with quality. Market-oriented through professional technical solutions. More and more customers bring Xinfuda into strategic partner system, promoting the reform and development of pharmaceutical packaging. Focus on plastic packaging. Become the leader of the whole situation of functional packaging. To be a global top plastic packaging enterprise, make products more intelligent and convenient.